Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money by watching videos in 2022. It pays with PayPal or bank transfer. It is free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. To begin today's video, go to animationarena.com. This is the main website we'll be using in today's approach. And it will allow us to view movies, play games, read comics, and earn money all at once. This is what the website will look like if you navigate to their homepage. Now, for the twist. Locating the URL where we'll make money from this website manually will be tricky. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So we'll do it this way. Instead of typing animationarena.com, arenawriter.html into the address box, type this: animationarena.com, arenawriter.html, to be sent to the website that will pay us to write. Once you've checked in, you'll see this page where you'll be paid to write video game, comic book, and movie reviews. With today's method, we'll effectively do the same thing. You might assume this is straightforward cash, but hold your horses, it's basic money, but it's also difficult to get started with. It would have been impossible for us to find this website on our own, but with a little strategy and some insider knowledge, we were able to get where we needed to be in order to make money. As you can see, there is no requirement for prior professional experience. All we ask is that you are passionate about the issue and that your grammar is clear to our audience. If you keep reading in this section, you'll discover that each review has a minimum word count and that in order to avoid plagiarism, it must be original and not plagiarized from other reviews. They'll also inform you how much money each review will bring you and how many times you may do it in a month. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. We'll have an easy time with this because we'll be evaluating interesting products like movies, video games, and comic books. We're not likely to become bored using this strategy because we'll be having so much fun doing it. So, earning a decent monthly income is that simple. Because the number of reviews is limited, this money may have helped you with your financial obligations or save you money. If you want to work for Arena and write for them, you can send them samples of your work via email, as specified here. Your first name, age, what subjects you like to review, what do you think makes a good review, what is your favorite television show, what games are you playing right now, and what games are you looking forward to playing, what comic books are you reading right now, and what are your top 5 movies for the year. These can all be sent to them via Arena Master at animationarena.com with the subject line Writing for Animation Arena and the email body Writing for Animation Arena. You must respond to these questions and include them in your email since we strongly suggest you to use this method in order to make a monthly income automatically. As a result, in order to make money online, you must also follow everything you'll learn in this video. Don't be scared to send this email, like I did, to show them that you genuinely want to be part of their team writing reviews. As I previously indicated, I will be launching another website that will allow us to earn money by viewing movies in the same way that we do now. They have a lot more than just videos. They also include surveys, advertising, and web surfing tasks. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just focus on watching videos. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. The second program I'll demonstrate is CashKick.com, a website that pays you in cash via PayPal or bank transfer. As you can see, making money on their website is a 3-step process according to them. The first stage is to find and complete your objective or responsibilities. Step 2 is to monitor your account's earnings. And step 3 is to pay out as quickly as possible. Scroll down to read the testimonies of these people who have benefited from their dedication to the platform to determine if this website is genuine. To start earning money, all you have to do now is head to CashKick website. You can download the app if you're using a computer or a mobile device. Simply complete the appropriate fields in the website and click Continue. Then, to correctly register your account, simply fill in the appropriate fields with the required information. This brings us to the end of our conversation. You can immediately start making money with CashKick. To summarize, there are 2 highly recommended platforms that you should try if you desire an income stream that will support you and your family's daily needs, because investing your time in them will almost certainly ensure you money each month. Simply repeat the process on a regular basis. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money watching videos in 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.